Hello guys, Uncle Fix here. So today I want to share a video with you how to do windshield on a Western Star. We have 2015 4900 model. So basically it's a rubber job. So it's not a glue, it's a rubber job similar to Freightliner Cascadia or Mack garbage truck. So very easy. Just you know, just another job. So this video is gonna be short because it's lots of similarity here. All right, I'm gonna show you quickly how to do it. All right, and while you're watching, please like and subscribe my YouTube channel, Uncle Fix.